This video is for you if you're planning to buy IQOO Z9 5G. In this video, I'll tell you 3 reasons why you should avoid this phone. Also, I'll share you 3 problems that some people who purchased IQOO Z9 are facing now, especially after installing new software update. IQOO Z9 5G is one of the most hyped phones in India because many YouTubers are promoting this phone, most probably after accepting payment from IQOO. But you will understand the truth after completely watching this video. First, I'll talk about the problems that some users are facing on this phone. The first problem is ghost touch issue. As you can clearly see in this video that was shared by an IQOO Z9 user, the phone is working, the screen is showing touch even if no one is touching that area. This problem is called the ghost touch issue, and most probably it happens because of manufacturing defect from the factory side. The only solution is going to service center and getting a free replacement of the display. The second problem that many people are facing is hang problem. IQOO Z9 seems to be hanging when you're using it for heavy duty apps, and the only solution is to press and hold volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone because nothing else on the display is working. The third problem that a lot of people are facing is heating problem when playing games and after installing new software update. This can be a hardware defect because of the designing in the cooling mechanism. Now coming to the 3 reasons why you should avoid this phone. The first reason is that this phone does not have an ultra wide camera. The second reason is that this phone comes with UFS 2.2 internal storage, which means the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor gets bottlenecked because of the slower speed memory and internal storage. And finally, the third reason is that this phone comes with only 44-watt fast charging, which is not adequate in 2024. If you want to add anything more to what I have said, please feel free to mention them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.